Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. How is the ARP request from VM1 forwarded when VM2 is not learned in the Cisco ACI fabric? Option A. Leaf 101 forwards the ARP request to one of the proxy VTEP spines. Option B. Pod 1 spine responds to the ARP request after the POD1 coup is updated with the VM2 location. Option C. Leaf 101 encapsulates the ARP request into a multicast packet that is destined to 225. 37.192. Option D. Leaf 101 switch consumers the ARP reply of VM2 to update the local endpoint table. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Leaf 101 forwards the ARP request to one of the proxy VTEP spines. Question 2. Which approach does Cisco ACI use to achieve multi-destination packet forwarding between leaf switches in the same fabric? Option A. Map VXLAN VTEP to the multicast group. Option B. Map VXLAN to PIM-SM protocol. Option C. Map VXLAN VNI to the multicast group. Option D. Map VXLAN to PIM-DM protocol. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Map VXLAN VNI to the multicast group. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.